Greetings, future scholars of America! It's Mr. Barfield with another grammar video. Feel free to pause, rewind, or fast forward at any time so that you get the best notes possible. Today's topic is the part of speech known as adverbs. An adverb is similar to an adjective, but instead of modifying or describing a noun or a pronoun, an adverb describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs answer these questions: when, where, why? How? To what extent? For example, in the sentence, Susie is somewhat nervous before school. The adverb answers the question, how? How nervous is Susie? Well, she's somewhat nervous. The word not and the contraction nt are also adverbs. For example, I can't swim well answers the question, how well can you swim? Not well. The comparative form of an adverb compares two actions. The audience listened more attentively last night than tonight. Two actions, listening attentively. The superlative form of an adverb compares more than two actions. Last Sunday's audience responded most enthusiastically out of all the audiences. This is how they respond. Hints. Adverbs often end in ly, but not all words that end in ly are adverbs. Like friendly and lively are both just adjectives. Not all adverbs end in ly. You have sometimes, later, often, soon, here, there, everywhere. And not and very, those are usually adverbs. Easter egg for this video. Whose face supposedly launched 1,000 ships? Until next time, see you guys later.